Hallway?
Yeah. I think our guys ran up through there. That's going through there. Another guy in there. Hey, I shot you, man.
Oh, okay. Stop. That's the barrel.
I shot him first. He didn't do nothing. He just kept walking.
He wasn't shooting back at
If you can't get shot, don't play airsoft.
There is a guy who was like, oh, I don't want to be shot, and I'm like, what are you even doing?
I know. What? Ah, fuck, my ball sack. Ow. Good shot, man. Oh.
Shory's right in the middle. Just got me.
Hey guys, you know you can move from here, right? Is there anybody down there?
There was like 2 little kids, but...
Here, I'm gonna go then.
Alright, you wanna go? Alright, go for it, watch out. Watch that doorway.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Bang.
Ow, hit, yeah.
Down, down, get down. Fuck. Jesus. Clear that warehouse. Come on, guys. Reloading. Hit, 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 hit right here.
Walk out.
Okay, walking.
Oh my goodness. Are they respawning in this one?
What?
Is they respawning in this one?
Yeah, it's just like I defogged my goggles.
Watch the hallways, they're all rating you.
Okay. That was pretty fucking cool, man.
I got two.
I wish you had told me that before. I would have looked at you the whole time.
Are there more?
I don't know.
No, I didn't see any more. Just walk behind us.
Yeah. What do you got doing?
There's a guy right here.
We got the 6. All right, let's go. He wants us.
He's got the right.
Yeah, he wants us to do that.
Right here.
All right, I'm on you, Mark.
Watch out, against the wall, against the wall.
Okay.
Mark. You're good, I shot him. Hey, I got deep fog, cover me. I'm gonna check on Deathridge. Hey Deathridge, you good?
It's right here. Hey, let's go.
Let's go. Hold on.
Right here.
I just shot you. All right. Oh, I thought you said you weren't hit. Sorry.
Oh, he's out.
Just lit one up. All right, let's... Oh, dude, now you gotta do it to everybody, but nice job. You got...
The point was, I could have shot you off my line.
I don't know, man. We could have ran out of bullets. Stuff could have happened. Oh, shit.
He was the guy...
He was the guy bitching because I shot him too close or something. Dude, there's one guy under the stairs. Dude, I've been shooting people too close with this. Like that little kid snuck up on Mark from me to you. Yeah. I go boom, blast him in the side.
Oh God, what's up? Where's Bruno?
Reloading.
Pushing up big.
Okay. Wait, do we have to shoot this guy right here, or is he good?
Who's right here? Chase you up, let's take point.
Alright, let's go.
We're moving up.
Why?
Good, that's how I heard the rap. Yeah, here, I think it's behind us.
Whew. Almost shot that guy.
Come here! Walk in, he is right there. Yeah, we walk out. Clear.
Dang, nobody. Go in there, go in there. I can't see.
Alright, I got you.
I need you
Can't
to
shoot
charge
around
me.
if it's on. Are you in there?
I can't see for worth shit.
All fucked up?
Yeah. They keep this place too hot.
It's fucking hot in here.
I can't see it, dude.
On you.
Watch it up in the tower.
Pull back.
I got you. I'm trying to use it.
Ow, fuck, dude.
Dude, he's trying to.
I don't know, fuck.